used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it. But now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say just say would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say
맛있어? 그래?
콜라랑 맛이 비슷해. 응. 근데 좀 달아. 이거 게맛살이랑 되게 비슷해 보여서 샀거든요. 재료가 괜찮은 것 같아서 한번 먹어보려고요. 이걸로 김밥을 한번 만들어 볼게요. 재료는 김밥용 김, 시금치, 햄. 이 햄은 이런 햄을 이렇게 잘라서 구운 거예요. 이쪽이 김밥용 무, 그리고 이쪽이 치킨무. 지금 당근이 있으면 더 좋을 것 같아서 당근을 볶고 햄도 한번 데워서 김밥을 만들어 볼게요.